Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize accessing AWS EC2 via SSM without SSH keys. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To authorize accessing AWS EC2 via SSM without SSH key, navigate to the EC2 dashboard. Select the instance you want to manage. Scroll down to the Description tab. Find the IAM role section. If your instance does not have an IAM role, create one in the IAM console. Navigate to the IAM console and click on Roles. Select Create Role. Choose AWS Service and then select EC2. Click Next, Permissions. Proceed to Next, Tags and click Next, Review. Name your role something descriptive, like EC2 SSM role. Select your instance again and click Actions. Choose Security, then Modify IAM role. Select the role you just created and click Update IAM role. Next, ensure SSM agent is installed on your instance. If you're using an Amazon Linux 2 or Ubuntu instance, the SSM agent is pre-installed. For other distributions, refer to the official AWS documentation for installation instructions. After confirming the SSM agent is running, navigate to the Systems Manager service in the AWS console. In the left menu, click on Managed Instances. You should see your EC2 instance listed. If it's not listed, double-check the IAM role and ensure your instance has internet access. Now, in the Systems Manager console, click on Session Manager in the left menu. Click Start Session. Select your instance from the list. Click on Start Session again. You are now connected to your EC2 instance without needing SSH keys. Once done, you can terminate the session by clicking Terminate. This method allows. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.